You can play to your strengths in second year. You can pick modules you're interested in and tailor your assessment methods to you. Second year opens up many pathways, and it's about finding which one you want to take.
Second year is about honing your ideas to suit your interests. Reading widely on your particular subject will help deepen your understanding. But in all of this, don't forget you're still learning. It's okay to talk to tutors and friends. It's good to explore your ideas with others.
Be an individual. Don't pick your modules based on what your friends have chosen, as you'll probably just regret that. Make your choices which reflect your own interests. Honours level research isn't meant to be easy, and everybody feels lost at some times. It wouldn't be interesting if it wasn't a challenge.
At honours level, you have much more scope for research. This will mean you'll spend more time on your research, but it also means you can go way beyond your reading list to pursue your interests. Honours is open-ended. You can follow your own path.
You need to make the most of the choices you get at honours. Everyone is different and will take slightly unique paths through their own degree. Be considered, do what you want and what you're good at. Play to your strengths. Also, remember, the work-social life balance is key. Be active and relaxed and you will excel. When you're relaxed, your best ideas will come out.
Have confidence in your opinion. Don't be afraid to argue for what you believe.
You're now allowed to write your own questions. Explore what you're really interested in. Follow your instincts.
When writing essays, you will be more confident in using sources, engaging with them critically. You'll be more adept at analysing, arguing against secondary criticism, cross-referencing. Equally, even though you have more reading to do and longer essays to write, you will get better at time management and quicker at reading. When working on your own question or answering a given one, find the planning and research methods to work best for you, whether that's mind maps, lists,
Obsessively scrolling JSTOR. Take your interest even further. In your final year, you could write a dissertation about something you've grown passionate about, or about something you did not get the opportunity to research in depth beforehand. This is your chance to create your own path. Take it.